Something interesting is happening with Google's next flagship, and the latest renders of the Pixel 11 Pro XL are giving a clear hint about the direction the company is taking. Instead of going for a dramatic redesign, this device focuses on refining what already works and improving the overall experience in a smart and practical way. At first glance, the Pixel 11 Pro XL may look familiar, but a closer look reveals some important design changes. One of the biggest updates is the camera bar. In previous Pixel phones, the camera bar had a two-tone look that made it stand out. This time, Google has gone with a more uniform finish. The result is a cleaner, more polished design that feels modern and professional. It's less flashy but more refined, which may appeal to users who prefer a simple and elegant look. The size of the device remains almost the same as before, measuring around 162, 7 by 76, 5 by 8, 5 millimeters. This means users upgrading from the previous model will feel right at home. However, small improvements like smoother edges and better materials make a noticeable difference. The phone is expected to feel more comfortable in the hand, showing that Google is paying attention to everyday usability, not just looks. Moving to the front, the Pixel 11 Pro XL continues with a large 6.8-inch AMOLED display. This has been a strong point of the Pixel Pro lineup, and it remains one of the highlights here. AMOLED technology is known for its rich colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast, making everything from videos to games look amazing. The large screen size is perfect for people who enjoy watching content, playing games, or working on their phones. Multitasking becomes easier, and the immersive experience is much better compared to smaller displays. Despite the big size, Google has worked on balancing the design so that the phone still feels comfortable to use. It's not just about having a big screen, but also making sure it doesn't feel awkward in daily use. The display is also expected to offer a high resolution and a smooth refresh rate, which means scrolling will feel fluid and visuals will stay sharp. Whether browsing social media or watching high-quality videos, the experience should feel premium and responsive. Inside the Pixel 11 Pro XL, the biggest upgrade comes in the form of the new Tensor G6 chip. This is Google's latest in-house processor, and it plays a key role in improving performance and efficiency. While exact benchmark numbers are not available yet, expectations are high. The Tensor G6 is likely to bring faster speeds, better power management, and stronger AI capabilities. Google has always focused heavily on artificial intelligence, and this chip will continue that trend. Features like voice recognition, real-time translation, and smart photography are expected to get even better. Performance improvements should also make a difference in daily use. Apps will open faster, multitasking will feel smoother, and heavy tasks like gaming or video editing should run more efficiently. Even though details about RAM and storage are not confirmed yet, multiple options are expected so users can choose what fits their needs. Another area where the Tensor G6 is expected to shine is photography. Pixel phones are already known for their excellent cameras, mainly because of Google's software processing. With improved AI capabilities, the Pixel 11 Pro XL could take this even further. Better image processing, improved low-light performance, and smarter editing tools are all likely to be part of the experience. Interestingly, Google has also decided to remove one feature from this new model, the infrared thermometer. This feature was introduced in earlier versions, but it didn't become widely popular. Most users simply didn't use it often. By removing it, Google is focusing more on features that actually matter in daily life. This decision reflects a larger strategy of simplifying the device and making it more practical. Instead of adding features just for the sake of innovation, the focus is now on improving what people actually use. This approach shows a clear shift in thinking. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is not trying to impress with flashy additions. Instead, it aims to deliver a reliable, smooth, and refined experience. Every change feels intentional, from the design to the internal hardware. This strategy can be described as incremental improvement. Rather than completely changing everything, Google is building on a strong foundation. This makes the phone feel familiar while still offering meaningful upgrades. For many users, this is exactly what they want, a device that improves without losing what made it great in the first place. The expected launch is around August, and more details should come out closer to that time. There could still be surprises, especially when it comes to camera features, battery performance, and software improvements. Overall, the Pixel 11 Pro XL represents a mature approach to smartphone design. It focuses on refinement, usability, and real-world performance. It may not be a revolutionary device, but it doesn't need to be. Sometimes small and smart improvements make the biggest difference. For those who value a clean design, powerful performance, and intelligent features, this phone is shaping up to be a strong contender in the flagship market, More updates and leaks are expected soon, so staying tuned is important. If the Pixel 11 Pro XL delivers on these expectations, it could easily become one of the most balanced smartphones of the year. For more latest tech updates, leaks, and detailed smartphone coverage, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so nothing gets missed.